some premium laptops, some really cool other mobile goodies from Lenovo. Kelly Corrigan joining us at the PepCom After Hours press event, where they invite a whole bunch of us, press, tech journalists, and we come and talk to some cool exhibitors that are showing some really neat stuff. So Kelly, hi there, welcome into tomorrow.
How's it going?
It's going well. You're showing a whole lot of stuff, and we've only got time and room for a couple of things. What do you want to start off with?
All right, so we are going to start out with some smart home products.
Good, everybody's into smart homes these days, and Lenovo's certainly there.
Oh yeah, definitely. We have partnered with Alexa, Amazon, and at this show in particular, we're actually partnering with Google. So our first product is going to be our Smart Display 7-inch. We've previously released some larger smart display products. We have an 8-inch, a 10-inch. We even have a smart alarm clock that's a 4-inch screen. So with this one, it's a 7-inch display, and with that, it is a very small footprint. So if you don't have a lot of real estate on your countertop or whatnot, you're able to put it in there.
And I'm delighted to hear that you're using the Google Home thing, because it's like everybody and their brother and sister is doing Alexa, and that's fine, but there's more to that than just Alexa.
Yes, there's definitely advantages of both of them. We've partnered, like I said, with Alexa in the past, but for this go around, working with Google Assistant, and with that, we've actually, to kind of segue into our next products, we've actually put Google Assistant on some tablets that you're now able to use as a smart display.
I'll move over so you can actually show us these tablets, and we'll see what's up with some of these. Would that be part of the yoga line as well?
That it would. Indeed. So we're actually bringing back this form factor of our Yoga Smart Tab. So as you can kind of see, there is a kickstand in the back if you flip it around, and that actually.
Or we'll just flip Chris around with his camera, and that'll be good too. But that's you know what, I've loved the kickstand idea. We've got a couple of Lenovo tablets that we travel the world with, and that is so handy because it is adjustable, and yet it's sturdy enough that your tablet's going to be easily visible and easily used.
Exactly. It makes it so easy when you're on an airplane or something. Just prop it up without having a case. One of the main features of this is the fact that we partnered with Google. So we actually have a feature on here now that instead of, when you're done with your tablet, you tend to just set it on the coffee table and forget it most of the time, or at least I do. But with this, we're actually utilizing Google Assistant with something we're calling Ambient Mode. So that'll actually give you information on your screen when it's charging. So things like your event calendar, your smart home lights to turn them on and off, weather, things like that. So it'll actually be used as a hub of sorts in your home instead of just sitting on your table, not charging or anything like that.
And that's ambient mode. I like
ambient
that.
Mode. Yes.
What's next on the hit parade here from Lenovo?
Yeah, so this is the Lenovo M8 Smart Tab here. So with this, it's also using Google Assistant Ambient Mode. But the difference with this and the Smart Tab, the Yoga Smart Tab in particular, is the fact that this is just a basic slate tablet. It's an 8-inch tablet, but it also comes with this smart dock here as well. So that allows you to plug it in there with pogo pins, and once it hits that dock, it'll begin charging, as well as slip into that Google Ambient Mode to allow it to use it as a hub for all your Google Assistant needs. While it's charging.
That is pretty cool, and this is all cool stuff that's available now from Lenovo?
So this will all be coming in the very near future, between October and September, depending on the product.
Okay, but either way, it sounds like before the holidays, so they make for some great gifts, I'm guessing.
Exactly. Either way, it's coming this fall.
For sure. And not to be outdone, of course, obviously, you have laptops. You wouldn't be Lenovo without amazing laptops. Let's talk about at least one of them here.
Yes, exactly. So here we have our Yoga C940 laptop. This is our mainline premium flagship laptop. And probably the most standout feature of this laptop is the fact that there is a sound bar built into the hinge of the product.
So on the back side here, or let's see where Ah, this is a sound bar.
have
Nice.
a full sound bar built into there that works with Dolby Atmos. And the coolest thing about our yoga laptops is the fact that you can flip them around 360 degrees, use them like a tablet. And the fact that you have this sound bar hinge now just means that no matter what mode that you flip this laptop into, you're going to get, great sound. It's not going to be, blocked in any way by the system itself.
I'm loving that. In fact, if you don't mind taking a second and showing our video, showing our camera how easy it is to just flip it into tablet mode, but obviously a full functioning laptop for everything else you need anyway.
Exactly. Another cool feature about this is the fact that we have now built in a privacy shutter over the webcam for a lot of our yoga products. And with this, instead of putting tape or Post-it note or something over your screen, we have it built in there so you can barely even see it, but it will block both the regular RGB camera as well as an IR camera.
Loving it. Well, Chris, when you have a second, just pan down the table. There's so much more, and yet another table with so much more. Lots of cool stuff, and how you find more information, of course, Lenovo.com. Kelly, you're a delight to chat with. We got to talk more when there's more time, and we can talk about more products as well.
Exactly, yes.
Thanks for joining us.
Of course.
We're back with more from Berlin, Germany, in our 17th year broadcasting from IFA, this huge trade show, as Into Tomorrow continues on the Advanced Media Network.